Remember the last time your car's check engine light came on? Did you know what was wrong? Did you know what to do about it? Did you know if the problem was severe? Fixed is here to translate your check engine light. Our sensor plugs directly into your dash and sends notifications to your phone when problems arise. A summary of the problem is provided in simple terms, complete with consequences of continued driving. The severity of the problem and instructions on what to do are given to ensure the safety of you and your vehicle. Multiple vehicle control allows access to all of your cars, and an active timeline reminds you when it's time to service them. Completed maintenance tasks are recorded to create a comprehensive and exportable vehicle health record. Take the guessing out of your check engine light and get fixed.
The KM18 firstly adapts the big screen technology. It has one USB charge port and features with a sleek gooseneck for easier access to the device. The KM18 Plus is upgraded with on-off switch to avoid draining battery out for some cars. The KM19 is the compact version of KM18. It is designed with two USB ports, one for charging and the other for reading USB files. The Nulixi KM20 and KM21 adopt more user-friendly buttons for big fingers. You can switch the play modes from shuffle, repeat, and normal. It comes with one USB charge port and one USB reading port as well. The new KM22 comes with all features of previous versions and is featured with 3D curved and 360 swiveling design. It comes with one USB charge port, one USB reading port, and also with power on-off button. Besides play mode, you can also choose EQ mode for the play. Nulixi, driving you safer and better.
Did you know that GPS satellite tracking has the ability to bring value to your business? Links Up GPS enables you to track your vehicles outside the office and offers many other capabilities. With Links Up GPS, you are able to locate your vehicles anytime and anywhere, dispatch the nearest worker to a customer in need, accurately track and report on mileage, and better fuel management use by reducing engine idle time. Only a few short years ago, using GPS to track vehicles required $1,000 black boxes and professional installation. Today, Links Up GPS gives you a tracking solution that's incredibly easy to use, requires no professional installation, and is available at one low price. The Links Up GPS tracking device installs in seconds by plugging into the OBD port under the dash of your car or truck. Once installed, you can use the Links Up GPS web system to locate your vehicles 24/7. Setup is a snap. Just name your device and set up any alerts that you want to receive. You get an intuitive Google Maps interface, easy to set up alerts on vehicle activity, and a suite of insightful reports. We even give you mobile software so you can check on the latest information on each car or truck, even when you're not close to a computer. Links Up GPS has been developing GPS tracking solutions for more than 10 years, and during that time, our customers have taught us the features that they want most. We keep our solution incredibly easy to use, and that means that you don't have to be a software engineer just to track your vehicles. Links Up GPS serves thousands of satisfied customers and tracks millions of driver miles each and every month. So what are you waiting for? Isn't it time you brought the power of GPS tracking to your business? Links Up GPS, affordable, reliable, and easy to use.
The HD Pro has a super wide 170-degree wide angle that lets you capture your whole field of vision. It has 2K HD video. The HD Pro has loop recording. 16 gigabytes will have about 1 hour of footage at max quality. It supports up to 64 gigabytes with a Class 10 memory card. Auto power on and off with power input is included, so you never have to turn it on. So today we're unboxing the Wheel Witness HD Pro Premium Dash Camera. When it arrives, it's in this great package. You remove it from the box, and installation is a breeze. You'll find that you have your HD camera right here in front. Remove that, and you'll see the additional packaging materials underneath. Included, we have your USB GPS unit. The camera is able to connect to GPS. You also have your adapter for power. You have your windshield mount. And we have additional mounting and a memory card. When your Wheel Witness HD Pro camera arrives, it will already have your mount attached to it. The memory card micro SD will arrive in the package as well. Open it up and you'll grab the smallest card for this one. There's also an SD adapter included in case you need it. If you have trouble inserting the memory card, you're able to use a penny or other small object to help get it into the slot. After you install the windshield mount, gently press to remove any air bubbles. On your HD dash cam, you'll flip the rotator arm up and simply slide it into the grip. You're then able to rotate the camera in any angle. It should move freely and the camera should feel stable. Next, we need to connect it to power. You'll take your power adapter, unpackage it, and you'll plug it into your vehicle. You'll know it's connected when it lights up with a dim blue light. Next, you'll take your USB adapter and you'll insert it into the B marked port. Gently push it in until it can't go any further. You're now ready to start recording with your HD Dashcam by Wheel Witness.